Why was Ben Jonson chosen to write the first folio introduction? Jonson's affiliation with the de Vere family spanned his entire adult life. Right after he left Westminster School, he served under the military command of Oxford's cousin, Francis de Vere, in Flanders. 15 years later, Jonson was employed by the Earl of Pembroke for almost 3 decades, from 1603 to 1630. Pembroke was, of course, the brother-in-law of Susan de Vere, who had performed in Jonson's masques at court. Pembroke assumed the role of Lord Chamberlain of the royal household from 1615 until 1625. In that role, he was the senior theatrical official in England. He had full authority over many theatrical troupes, including the most illustrious, the King's Men. Jonson's compilation of his own works was quite an expensive venture. Because it was dedicated to Pembroke, everyone in court circles understood that he was the one who laid out the cash. Meanwhile, back in Stratford, in the church, when Will Shakespeare was buried, the parish register recorded him as a man of property, not a poet. I guess not. These are the words Shakespeare chose for his epitaph.
Good friend, for Jesus' sake forbear to dig the dust enclosed here. Blessed be the man that spares these stones, and cursed be he that moves my bones.
These are clearly the words of an uneducated tradesman. On October 5th, Pembroke awarded to Ben Jonson the position of Master of Revels. Suddenly, Jonson's annual crown pension tripled. Ben Jonson was now deeply in Pembroke's debt. Of course, the de Vere family enlisted Ben Jonson to write the introductory epistle. Of course they did.